Hi, this is my first order from Azure Standard. I'm pretty excited. I thought it would be a good idea to get some dried beans and some rice and things that have a long shelf life. And we always eat organic, and it's pretty hard to find that stuff at a reasonable price in grocery stores. So Azure Standard had pretty much everything I wanted and more. I got 5-pound bags because I thought that they would be reasonable to store, and they look perfect for not overwhelming us with stuff. So I got some cranberry beans, which are pretty cool. I've never seen them in person anywhere. Organic. I got some California sushi rice, and the reason I got that rice is because it's one of the lowest in arsenic and lead and cadmium. Any kind of brown rice, while it's very good and theoretically healthy, the outer part of the rice sucks in all those heavy metals and causes them to be much higher and less healthy, actually. So any kind of white rice, but especially basmati rice and the sushi rice from California, are supposed to be the best and the lowest in that. So it's upside down, but we got Great Northern beans and another thing of California sushi rice. This is just the first box. Here's box number 2. Got some black-eyed peas, organic. Gotta have some red kidney beans. Now this is organic mashed potatoes, instant mashed potatoes, which is very hard to find. This is actually for one of my dogs who needs a little extra calorie in his food, and this would be perfect if I run out of organic potatoes, which are very hard to find in my area also. Why, I don't know. So there's 2 of those. And of course, black beans. Pinto beans. Again, this isn't mainly because we eat a lot of beans, because we really don't, but it's a very complete protein if you mix it with rice and maybe some vegetables, if you're in a pinch and you don't have anything else to eat, or an emergency situation. I got some einkorn. I make bread with einkorn occasionally. It's so good. I usually buy the Jovial that comes directly from Italy, but I thought I would try and see if this was just as good. I've got garbanzo beans. These all have to be soaked overnight before they're used, but it's okay. It's just much better than getting all the slimy ones in the can that have been sitting around. And lastly, first ever dehydrated food. So these are, I shouldn't say dehydrated, I meant to say freeze-dried. These are freeze-dried peas. And these will just rehydrate with some water. These are not organic, but they are GMO-free. It's just what they had, and I still thought it'd be really good. And the mother load here we get is the sales flyer, which I can't wait to look through. This is June. And Azure Standard has sales on things. This is a sales flyer. I don't know if it's just things that are on sale or if it's just all kinds of different kind of things they talk about in here. I haven't seen one yet. They do. It looks like a good catalog of what they have, and this will come every order. Our drop is very close by. It's probably just a 10-minute drive, and It couldn't be easier. I love the way they kind of let you leave your order open for the month so you can add things to your cart. And even if you think you're done and you check out and you pay for it all, you can still add things or subtract things from the order. And when the order date closes, they will adjust everything to make it so that you get what you need, and not have to pay for stuff you aren't getting if you changed your mind. So I thought that was pretty cool. Next time I'm going to be getting some things that are refrigerated. There's a certain kind of yogurt that we can't get here that they can get. It's a goat's milk yogurt, and some butter and some other things that I just wanted to try that I've seen other people have. Cheese, probably not going to get the raw cheese, but I will look at some of the other cheeses that they have and try that if the price is good. And it's kind of never ending, the amount of things that they carry. First you kind of think, oh, it's just some bulk foods and stuff, but then you realize when you see other people's videos, oh, they've got all kinds of cooking utensils and all kinds of things for putting up jars and doing canning and all that kind of stuff. So I can't wait to delve in a little bit deeper and see what else they have. I'll probably always take a kind of a look to see if the price is better than what it would be locally each time I buy something, because sometimes I've heard that sometimes prices are on certain things are not as good as others, but I think it's more about finding the things that you want that you can't find in person or that are too expensive on Amazon, which is what I've found. So happy so far, and hope you enjoyed the video.